So, hi. Won't be long now, and we'll be headed down the road towards the west. The wild, wild west. At least that's what they used to call it. Hope it's not too wild. Not 16 anymore. Anyway, coming attractions, so stay tuned.
Hello. I just wanted to share with you real quick. A lot of people talk about how they prepare for long trips, what they take, all those kind of things. I'm not really going to bore you with much of that, but I did think it was worth sharing at least one thing we're doing. We're leaving, of course, first part of October, take the northern route up into the Dakotas, Wyoming, through there. We're not sure of the weather conditions. We know that in some locations they've already started getting snow. It's a little chilly. We're okay with that. But I did want to let you know one thing that we have prepared, and that is it might get cold, and sometimes cuddling just ain't enough to keep you warm. So in our case, we'll not only turn on the furnace, but we're taking our UGG with us too. No reason to get cold if you don't have to, right? See ya.
So yes, you've probably heard, you've probably seen videos, but here it really is. The world's largest truck stop, Iowa 80. Yeah. Okay, how about that? So yes, this is a truck stop. I actually don't know where Vic is. She's here somewhere, I'm sure. But it may take me searching the world, since we're at the world's largest truck stop, just to find her. This is kind of unbelievable. So yes, we're still walking into it. I did find this. Automobile up there. Big restaurant. There's an actual semi in there. Can you see it in the back? Okay.
This location is where we stayed for the night, as they are a Harvest Host and we are a member of Harvest Host. So we got to walk around and check everything out as part of our stay. Great thing to do if you're traveling. Looky there, one of Vic's retirement gifts that I get to enjoy. But she gets to enjoy watching me eat it, right? Dang keto. Yes, we're spending the night here as they are also a Harvest Host. And again, we're a member, which means overnight stays for being a member for free once you pay the membership, which is cheap. And as Vic says, you know me, if it's free, it's for me.
But yeah, right here, this mister right here, he's a bull.
Oh yeah, Ferdinand.
Yeah.
You can tell. He's a little larger and looks like he might have an accent.
And I got a video of him going to the bathroom.
There you go. Everybody needs that.
Yeah.
There
Here,
should be 2 or
baby.
3 more bulls out here, I would think. And we'd give them their shots and cut them or whatever we needed to do. And then we'd have to figure out how to, because they'd lay down and they wouldn't get out of the chute. We're thinking we're done, get out.
I think it's so funny. I feel like we're on TV or something. They're all just watching.
Are you videotaping Vic?
See right here is that little bull here again. And then we brand them. We've got a Diamond A brand on them. So he's going to smell his girlfriend there. But the Korean cat.
Okay, well, thanks for coming with us, and stay tuned as we enter the Badlands.